What's going on, Gyms? Jillian here from Gym Naturals, and today
No, whatever you're about to say, they don't want to hear it. Trust me.
Riley, what? They have been asking you for a best moisturizer video for the longest. Give it to them. Listen, I wasn't prepared for it. Look, say no more, because I have 3 of my favorite moisturizers all queued up and ready to go. You did this on purpose, didn't you? Nah. So before we begin, you know what? This is really, really important. I need y'all to hear me on this. Okay. All right. So what I'm about to tell you are my 3 favorite moisturizers, right? This does not mean that you need to run out and buy these moisturizers. This is just what worked for me. So what works for me might not work for you, except for number 3. I feel like number 3 will work for everybody, but just know this is not the end all be all. First up on the list, and in no particular order, is Kinky Curlies Not Today. What? We don't have any Kinky Curly?
You don't have any Kinky Curly.
Why don't we have Kinky
Essentials, it's quarantine. That's what you get for trying to take over my video.
Anyway, Kinky Curlies Not Today was a leave-in conditioner slash moisturizer that I discovered very early on my journey. And this leave-in conditioner really helped me understand my hair. And what I mean by that is my twist outs, braid outs, what have you, were always frizzy at the end, and I couldn't understand why. This moisturizer actually helped me discover that my cuticles were open, which led to all the frizz, and this moisturizer helped close those cuticles and smooth them out. So then I was able to finally get twist outs and braid outs that were more defined and weren't so puffy and big. Next up on the list is Shea Moistures Raw Shea Butter Restorative Conditioner. Now, I know it was canceled, I know y'all, but I had to reschedule it. Let me tell you why. So just like Kinky Curlies Not Today, I stumbled upon Shea Moistures products very early on in my journey, and my hair just seemed to love it. It really gave me a lot of moisture, revitalization, all that good stuff, and it added a lot of volume to my hair. If you're looking for that voluminous look, then maybe give Shea Moisture another chance, but if not, stick around for number 3, because I think everybody's going to love number 3. Okay, so number 3 is none other than Blue Magic Grease. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, y'all. That's not on the list. But if you guys want to use Blue Magic Grease, go ahead and use it, but don't use it as a moisturizer, because it is not a moisturizer, it's a sealant. So if you want to use it, if you're just stuck to using this stuff because y'all went in on my natural hair mistake video, but that's okay. If you want to use it, just make sure you are adding moisture into your hair first, and then seal it, and then when wash day comes around, make sure you are using a clarifying shampoo, because you want to get rid of all the residue to be able to put more moisture back into it. So if you want to use it, go ahead. Personally, I'm not gonna use it. I don't care for it, but hey, to each his own. Like I said before, what works for me might not work for you, so I can't write it off completely. So last but not least, and for real this time, number 3 is Melanin Hair Care's Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff so much. So just like every other conditioner, it leaves your hair revitalized, moisturized, softening, all that good stuff. But what I love the most about this leave-in conditioner is that it literally melts away tangles. The first time I heard that, I was just like, what does that even mean, you melting tangles? But it honestly, whenever I run into a tangle, I can just put a little bit on it and it'll just kind of work itself out. I don't know what type of magic is in here, but I'm down for it. I dig it and I love it. But of course, you know, when you're not fighting so much with your hair to get these tangles out, you're being more gentler on your hair, less breakage, more length retention, and overall good health of your hair. So this is why I love this stuff, and this is actually something that I see myself continuing to use from here on out. All right, so let's read the top comment from our last hair video, and the top comment goes to Mariama, and they say, when your editing skills are so lit, people think you have a twin. Oh, okay, well, I hate to break it to you, but it's really easy to have 2 people in the shot when you have 2 people in front of the camera. Not so lit. Not at all. Yeah, you sound a little bit like a hater right now. Oh, I sound a little bit like I'm speaking facts right now. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful. And stay safe. Stay safe.